What am I going to show you today? I'm really not going to show you very much. Do you know why? Let me show you why. This is not a how-to video per se. Here, I've got my Hoover carpet cleaner out, and I've got some cleaner here, and I'm just going to use Simple Green as my carpet cleaner, and I'm going to clean all these carpets in this little condo. And I'm using just that. Okay? I'm just kind of showing you the certain things I'm going to do in the next few days in this condo. It's very easy stuff to do. Okay? I'm also going to paint this wall from the left hand side right there over to the right. Ooh, cool picture. Okay, and I'm also going to paint this wall here just over to that accent wall color. And I'm going to match that accent wall color on these two walls here. Now, man, I've got to get up there with the ladder and all kinds of stuff and tape that all off. And here's something else I'm probably eventually going to do. I don't know if I'm going to do it today or not. I'm going to have to think about it. On this water faucet here, I'm going to change this out to a different faucet. It's been leaking down here at the base, and it's a little old, and it just is getting tired out. Now, why am I showing you this, and why am I saying it's not really a how-to project? You know why? Because all of this stuff, where do you suppose all this stuff is? All of this stuff is on my channel right now. And if you've been a follower of Joe's, you probably already know how to do all this stuff. But if you have not perused my channel, you may not know any of these things exist on my YouTube channel. Check them out, because why do I want you to check them out? I want you to save some money on your how-to projects around the house, and your repairs around the house, and your cleaning around your house, and all that kind of stuff. Okay? You can do it. I know you can do it. And I want to help you save some money so that you can use that money for something else. Okay? Talk to you later.